Good evening, dear students. Today we will do the remaining question of exercise 3b. Let's start. Our question number 18 is, what is to be added to 63 rupees 58 paise to get 92? Once again I repeat, what is to be added to 63.58 to get 92? It means 63.58, how many numbers we will add, we will get 92. You can see in question, in whole number part there is 63 and how much we will get? 92. Okay, we will add more numbers, but how much we will add, how much difference between 92 and 63, how we will find? We will find by subtraction. Difference between two numbers, how much it will find by subtraction. So in this question we will do subtract. First of all, because of this is a decimal numbers, and how we do decimal subtraction? Step first we will convert given numbers in decimal into like decimals form. This is already decimal and this is a whole number form. So first of all we will convert like decimals form. So because of after the decimal there is 2 place after the decimal 2 digit, that's why in 92 also we will put decimal, then after decimal we will insert 2 0. Then how we subtract? 92.00 63.58. We will take borrow from this is also 0, we will take borrow from 2, so it's 10 and 10 landing on given carry, so it's become 10 and this digits become 9. So 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 5 4, 11 minus 3 8 and 8 minus 6 2. So how many numbers we will add in this 63.58? Thus the required number is 28.42. Hence 28.42 should be added to 63.58 to get 92. Let's see next question. Question number 19. What is to be subtracted from 8.1 to get 0.813? Subtracted from, okay, from this number, how many numbers we will subtract, how much numbers we will subtract, then we will get 0.813. In same this question also, first of all we will convert both numbers in like decimal form. Because of in second number you can see there is after the decimal 3 digits, that's why we will insert after the decimal there is 2 0. So now our like decimals form given number is 8.100 and 0.813, and we will subtract 10 minus 3 7, 9 minus 1 8, 10 minus 8 2 and 7 minus 0 is 7. So 7.287 should be subtracted. 8.1. Then let's see next question. Question number 20. By how much should 32.67 be increased to get 60.1? It means in this number 32.7, how much we will add? Increase means more, add. So how much we will add in this number? We will get 60.1. So first of all we should know what is the difference between that, then we will add now. So finding the difference we will do subtraction. First of all we will convert both numbers in the like decimals form. So after the decimal highest digit is 2, That's why we will insert after the decimal there is 1 0, then we will subtract 60.10, 32.67. We borrow from there 10 minus 7 3, 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 2 7, 5 minus 3 2. So the required number is 27.43. So finally 32.67 should be increased by 27.43 to get 60.1. Let's see next question. Question number 22. Rohit purchased a notebook for rupees 23.75, a pencil for rupees 2.85 and a pen for rupees 15.90. He gave a 50 rupee note to the shopkeeper. What amount did he get back? Okay. Suppose Rohit placed you went market and you purchased notebook, then pencil and pen, and your mother given to you 50 rupees note. So how much money that shopkeeper returned back? So first of all, when you purchase all things, so first we will add how much money we will purchase the items. Okay, we will purchase that how many items? Notebook, then pencil, then pen. So notebook 23 rupees 75, for pencil 2 rupees 85, then for pen 15 rupees 90 paise. So first we will add, because Rohit purchased these 3 items, so first we will add the total amount of these 3 items. Total amount spent by Rohit on purchasing given things. So 5 plus 5 10, 0 carry, we will write 0 and 1 carry, then we will add 7 plus 8 plus 9 14 plus 1 carry, 15 5 carry 1, decimal below decimal, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 10 and carry, so 2, then one more carry, 2 plus 3 1 4. So total items amount how much? 42 rupees 50 paise. And money given to the shopkeeper 50 rupees. Rohit given to shopkeeper how many rupees? 50 rupees. And our total articles items amount is 42 rupees. So how much money shopkeeper return? Subtract 50 from 42 rupees 50 paise. Again we will convert in like decimal form after the decimal 2 digit. That's why we will insert to 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7 and 4 minus 4 nothing. So how much money shopkeeper returned to Rohit? 7 rupees 50 paise. So dear students, I hope so you understand these questions. So today's your homework to do exercise 3B in your notebook. Rest of the question do by yourself. Thank you.